G'day, well, I'm just installing the gyro. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use one of these cable tie holders around this cross brace. I've just put a bit of butyl rubber tape on there to just give this little cable tie holder something to bite into. I've just cut the tangs out of this side so that'll sit over the brace okay. And we'll cable tie it on and just see how tight we can get it. This is just an idea. Try and make it sturdy and neat. So yeah, I've had a few dramas with this, so got a servo on the way, and just make sure I'm not pinching anything. I reckon having this tucked up under here is going to be alright, but whether or not it's going to want to rock is going to be the question. Seems okay. Right. Yeah, I think that's going to work. It'd be nicer if it was white, black foam instead of white. Be look a little bit more neat and professional.